Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to make this warm and soft coloring for your videos in CapCut. So just add the clips that you want to edit and then just go straight to the video effect. Click on the lens category and in here find the soft effect. So you can adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with around 25. Click on the check icon and make sure that the effect apply to all of your clips. And after that, go to the filter. Here, click on the live category. Then you can just find the live to filter to apply to your clips. Okay, what is it? What seconds? Okay, this live 2 and around set it to around 85. Okay, so now you are done and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, smash that subscribe button, click on a thanks, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.